Hello and welcome to IGCSE Sudarshan Studio, guys. And as we know, today we have started with physics paper. Physics ATP was done in the afternoon session, and in the morning session, which exam was there? Yeah, business studies. Yeah, so business studies and physics was done today, and business paper was really easy. Moreover, physics with not much complicated questions were there, but yeah, design and investigation or graph was there. So based on that, okay, and based on the November's paper that we already have seen on the various websites, so if we see the October November paper, we will here check with 1601 biology blueprint. So okay, what is blueprint? It's an assumption that what chapters are going to come for your Feb series. Now, for the October series, this is the theory. Okay, so if you check the extended version of biology paper, it was 42. Okay, so if we check the 42 here, this was the weightage for the chapter. For example, the characteristics and classification of living organism was having a weightage of 5 marks, but there's a catch here. Even in the ATP also, this time they focused on the first chapter itself, right? Organization of the organism was carrying 2 marks, and enzyme topic was carrying 12 marks. So this is what the highest one. Okay, human nutrition, again here we have 14 marks of question. Transport in plants 8 marks total. Transport in animals 2 marks. Respiration 8. Excretion in humans 2. Or organisms and their environment 4. Human influence and ecosystem 13. And biotechnology and genetics was 10. So this is what the extended paper 420610 lesson wise weightage. As you can see, IGCSE has left lot of chapters here, like for example, no questions from reproduction, inheritance, variation, disease, immunity, okay, and even from movement into and out of the cells. That means for the Feb series, please remember, Feb and March series, you will have more weightage for other chapters. For example, coordination and response, the lengthiest chapter, and a bit of sometime student get confused. So focus this time more on coordination, reproduction, inheritance, variation. I'm sure for Feb series you will have questions in theory from these chapters. Okay, next one, exchange in human. This is also carries much weightage because there was no question from this topic. Respiration, they do have given weightage at 8 marks, but gas exchange and in humans, no. Moving to the plant nutrition, also they have completely eliminated, so there was no question from plant nutrition. So now you know for Feb series, if you are doing revision for the last moment, please focus on these chapters. Chapter plant nutrition, movement in and out will be there in the ATP. So let's check plant nutrition here. Next one is our disease and immunity. Then coordination topic, sure you will get a question from this. Reproduction, inheritance, variation. So focus on these topics more while you're doing revision at the last moment. Okay, now coming to the ATP part. Now if you check the ATP, chapter 1 was having a weightage, then biological molecules was having a weightage here. Respiration also this time they gave weightage. Fine. So these were the 3 lessons, chapter 1, 4 and 12. These 3 chapters they focus for ATP. Generally, Cambridge focus on chapter 1, that is for magnification calculation kind of thing. Then They focus more on image drawing and all, which is actually in chapter 2. This was also there, yeah, image, enlarge, fine, draw the image. But this time chapter 1, 2, fine, my bad, chapter 1, 2 was there. Okay, so in classic Cambridge style, if you see, chapter 1 they will do, chapter 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6. But this time they directly went for respiration, completely out of standard. But yeah, let's, for Feb series, those who are going for the Feb and March series, please remember there was no question from the investigation kind of thing or plan of experiment. So this time you will get questions from movement in and out, biological molecules, enzyme, and chapter 6. Okay, no, you will not get from this time. Okay, this we won't. So chapter 5, so you need to focus this time over. So here you will get an image to draw. This is very easy, fine. Next one, 3, 4, 5, definitely they will plan an investigation. So this time please go through that experiment part of chapter 3, 4 and 5. Plan an investigation, how to plan it, variables, independent, dependent variable, safety precautions. Keep all these things in your mind and then go for the exam. So now at the last moment when you are doing the revision and throughout the year you are much more confused what to read, what to not, and to get at least in A's or B, go through these topics. Fine. If you are doing regular practice of all these 21 chapters, definitely you will aim for A star. Yes, I know, but those who are doing revision at the last moment and don't know what to do, please focus on these chapters. Once again, please check out the chapters which are very important here. Chapter 14, okay, starting from the top here, plant nutrition, disease immunity, gas exchange, then we have coordination, reproduction, inheritance and variation. Focus on these topics for your theory. ATP, as I told you, 3, 4, 5 is the best one. You can go through that and plan an investigation, dependent, independent variable, enzymes, because biological molecule they gave in the ATP color. So that this time they must focus on enzyme topic, okay, or movement in and out. That is one of the classic Cambridge style. So good luck for your examination. If you have any doubts at the last moment, please ask me. I'll be ready to help you and happy to help you all the time. So take very good care of yourself and your family, and very good luck for your exam. This is Sudarshan signing off for today's video. Bye.